Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Investing with Giancarlo. I am your host Giancarlo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you another live trade, fuel cell, no surprise there, and it will be a profitable trade today. I took a few L's in my last few trades, so it's good to see a bit of profit, although I did make another mistake after this, doing a little bit of revenge trading or trying to get more money, which ended up taking off some of my profit. So without further ado, let's get straight into the trade and show you what happened. So this was a bit of a long trade. I was waiting for the position or for the opportunity. Maybe it took about 10 minutes. So of course, we're not going to show the entire 10 minutes. I'm going to fast forward this. I was essentially looking for a short position. So I was waiting for a pump towards resistance up high somewhere, and then for the move to run out of steam so I can take a short position. And what was happening throughout this trade was just a lot of consolidation between support around here and resistance around here. So it was definitely, I needed definitely a lot of patience, which I exercised, and I was just waiting for my opportunity. And what I did a lot in this video was switch between the 1 minute candle and the 5 minute candle, because with the 5 minute candle you can see a lot more clarity as to where the direction of the trade is going, if it's going up or if it's going down. So I was switching between the 1 minute and 5 minute quite frequently today's trade, which did give me a lot more clarity, as I said, in finding my short opportunity. So now we're getting close to that chance. It's pumping once again, it's rallying towards resistance. And you can see now it's getting to a point where it rejected previously. So I think it might jump past this, or it's going to start turning around. So now you can see a little bit of pushback. It's not allowing it to break past. So now I got waiting for further confirmation. Is it going to get pushed down, and then for a second candle at least before I jump in? So now I've got my stop loss ready at about 1.5%. And now you can see it's starting to turn around. Just need a little bit more confirmation of another candle. I've made a lot of mistakes jumping the gun too much, and that is a mistake I made actually in the second trade, which I did not record. But I need just confirmation before I can enter that trade. So there you go. Confirmation received, and now I'm in. Now of course, as always, it doesn't mean that it's definitely going to go my way. What actually happens is it turns around and goes back to the upside, and this is me thinking, okay, maybe this is going to turn into a loss once again. But I stayed resilient. If I'm going to take another loss, then I've got to take another loss, but I've got to stay in the trade and wait it out. And that's one big thing I've learned. So many times you'll have a position, you know, whether it's short or long, you think it's going to go to this level, down 20 pounds or whatever, and then it goes against you. You think, it's going to get to me, let me just take out my trade and save myself losing an extra whatever percent. And what happens straight away after you've taken your position out, you end up, you could have been profitable, it would have gone your way. So this is what I've exercised in this trade. You know, I'm in the trade, let me leave it now. I'm just gonna aim for 1% here because it's looking very choppy. I don't think I can get more than 1%. So we see a nice break of support here, down to the stop loss. I took it out because I'll be honest, I've taken quite a few L's. I wanted to get just a nice win under my belt today. Although I did get greedy afterwards, I saw another opportunity thinking, okay, this is a major support level. If this breaks, then I can increase my profit to much more. And this is a mistake I made before, which is I entered the trade prematurely. I didn't wait for support to be broken. I just went in just before I thought it was going to break. And what happened, it rallied majorly afterwards. I did exit my trade straight away, So I only lost a little bit, but still it took away from my profit. And that's one thing I've got to really nail down, is to not enter trades prematurely. Once you have full confirmation, i.e. a support level is broken or resistance is broken, then you enter a trade. If you enter the trade prematurely thinking, let me get it early and get more profit, a lot of times that ends up costing you more than it will make you profit. And I think this is probably an age-old wisdom within trading. Those that are experienced know that you can't make assumptions in trading. You need to see evidence, you need to see it actually happening before you can enter the trade. So I hope that makes sense. That'll be all for this video. Hope you got some value from it, and see you in the next one. Peace.